keep going. We're gonna keep going. He's gonna say hit him point blank. Hi, buddy. He's behind the knoll. He's running hard. There he is. See him? Woof! He's smelling the other one. See that? Yeah, I'm on.